Hello, and welcome to this presentation, Getting Started with the SMCV100B HD Radio Testing. This presentation shows how to use a Rohde Schwarz SMCV100B vector signal generator to create AM and FM HD radio signals. Generating HD radio signals with the SMCV doesn't require any in-depth knowledge of HD radio, but please see the separate presentation, Understanding HD Radio, if you would like a brief technical overview of HD radio technology and signals. The Rohde Schwarz SMCV100B is a compact vector signal generator that can be used to generate a wide variety of both audio and video broadcast signals. This includes both AM and FM HD radio signals and all test vectors defined by ubiquity. The SMCV is operated via a touchscreen and intuitive graphical user interface, but it can also be remotely controlled over VNC and supports industry-standard Skippy-based test automation. HD radio signals are created by the SMCV using arbitrary waveform, or ARB files, and playing these ARB files requires an SMCV with 64 megasamples of ARB memory and 60 MHz of RF bandwidth. The appropriate license keys are also needed, and this is something we'll cover on the next slide. The HD Radio ARB file library covers a wide range of test signals, including support for both FM and AM broadcasts. Scenarios include audio programs with and without data, single and multi-channel configurations, and tests of the emergency alert service. These HD radio waveform libraries can be downloaded from Glorus, the Rohde Schwarz customer website, but playing these files does require two license codes or options: the K519 Broadcast Standards license, as well as the KV13 HD radio license. Like all other ARB files, the contents of the HD radio arbitrary waveform files are not directly editable by the user, but the signal frequency and signal power can be changed in real time. One important thing to keep in mind is that HD radio information is encoded differently for AM and for FM. This means that the correct waveform type must be chosen depending on the band or modulation being tested. Note that HD radio receivers in FM mode will not decode AM HD signals, and vice versa. It is, however, easy to tell if an ARB file contains an AM or FM waveform, since AM waveforms begin with IB-AM and FM waveforms begin with IB-FM. A complete list of the files supplied in the HD radio library can be found in the SMCV documentation. To load an HD radio ARB file into the SMCV, simply select ARB from the modulation block and then use Load Waveform to navigate to and select the desired ARB file. These all have the extension WV. After loading the ARB, configure the desired frequency and level, and then enable RF output to begin transmission. Let's end with a brief summary. The Rohde Schwarz SMCV100B vector signal generator can create both AM and FM HD radio test signals using arbitrary waveform or ARB files. A library of these waveform files can be downloaded from the Rohde Schwarz website, and their use requires the appropriate license keys or option codes. The HD radio ARB file library contains a variety of signal types, including audio and data signals, single and multi-channel scenarios, and emergency alert scenarios. And although ARB file contents cannot be edited or changed by the user, the frequency and level of these signals are user adjustable in real time. And finally, remember that HD radio encodes AM and FM signals differently, so it's important to choose the correct file type depending on the band of operation. This concludes our presentation, Getting Started with the SMCV100B HD radio testing. If you'd like to learn more about HD radio, other broadcast signals, or broadcast test solutions from Rohde & Schwarz, please see the links in the video description. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit us at rohde-schwarz.com.